Before we begin, let me ask you something that might sting a little. How many decisions in your life did you delay, avoid, or overthink until they stopped being opportunities and turned into regrets? And how many times did you look back and think, if only I had acted sooner, everything would be different right now? If that sounds familiar, stay with me, because today, you and I are going to unlock something that most adults never learn, something that can genuinely change the direction of your life, the ability to make smart decisions quickly, confidently, and without drowning in anxiety. By the time this video ends, you'll understand why decision-making isn't about being smart, lucky, or perfect. It's about having a simple, repeatable system that removes the fear and keeps you moving forward. Welcome back to Build Yourself with me, the place where we grow, heal, and reprogram our lives one powerful thought at a time. If you're here, that means you care about becoming someone stronger, wiser, and more intentional. And today's topic is a skill that will shape your career, your relationships, your happiness, your income, everything. So breathe, relax, and let's build your mind together. Making smart decisions more easily isn't about having the perfect answer, it's about creating clarity. Most people suffer not from lack of intelligence, but from emotional fog. They make decisions based on fear, guilt, or pressure, and then wonder why life feels heavy. But you're here because you're ready to break that cycle. The first step to making smart decisions is separation. Separate the noise from the need. Noise is what other people want. Need is what your life requires. Every time you face a decision, ask yourself, is this my voice or someone else's expectation? If it's not your voice, you already know it's not the right direction. Second, simplify the choice by identifying what actually matters. Don't pick between A and B, pick between the future I want and the future I don't. The moment you frame decisions in terms of your identity and long-term vision, things become clear. Third, understand that small decisions compound. You don't need to choose the perfect path, you just need to choose progress. Most people freeze because they think one wrong choice will destroy everything. But life isn't a single decision, it's a series of corrections. Smart people don't avoid mistakes, they adjust faster than everyone else. Fourth, reduce emotional pressure. Whenever emotions run high, intelligence runs low. Step back, breathe. Give yourself 24 hours unless it's truly urgent. Your mind is like water when it's calm. It becomes clear. Fifth, trust patterns, not promises. Look at facts, actions, and repeated results. Smart decisions come from recognizing patterns of behavior, patterns of outcomes, patterns of your own habits. Sixth, ask yourself the decisive question, will this matter in 5 years? Most things won't. That means you shouldn't give them the power to drain your peace today. Finally, make the decision and move on. Decision-making becomes easy when you train your brain to close the door and stop revisiting what has already been chosen. Overthinking is a parasite. Confidence is a muscle. The more you practice decisive action, the more you trust yourself. And as you trust yourself more, every decision becomes simple, not because life gets easier, but because you get stronger. Thank you for spending this time with me today. If this message helped clear your mind or lift your energy, remember, the biggest decision you'll ever make is the decision to build yourself day after day, moment after moment. And I'm honored to be here with you on that journey. This is Build Yourself with me. Take a deep breath, stand tall, trust your choices, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep becoming the strongest version of yourself.